Today's job is at one of my favorite consultancies in Australia. I have never worked with them. I have never been their customer, or I am not attached to them in any way. It's just that I like the way they work. I have seen quite a lot of good work from them here in Australia and New Zealand, but also in US. And maybe someday I will work for them. Who knows? But for now, I'll just share this job, which has been just published by Slalom, Australia and New Zealand. Um, Great consultancy company, and this job is for cloud consultant. Location is in Sydney. I'm sure their work type is flexible as they are quite futuristic and very understanding company. As you can tell, I'm already a big fan. And then the skill set you require for this particular job is sort of a consultancy skill set as per job description. So you need to be aware of what AWS is, what are the different standards, also how the enterprise workload gets migrated to AWS using the industry standards as well as the proprietary methodologies. I think what it means is that, for example, if you are migrating any such as Oracle database, different technologies which get used to migrate an Oracle database, such as Oracle RMAN or import export and stuff like that. And then or AWS's own tool like AWS MGN service, which was previously Cloud Endure, and what are the things involved when the migration is happens. So it is more of a consultancy level job. And then you also need to assist in the sales process as it relates to providing technical guidance and estimations to the project efforts, such as proposals, statement of works, etc., etc. You also need to be good at describing the CI/CD pipeline, and would be good to have a hands-on experience to support cloud-based workloads. It's always good to have some Terraform, CloudFormation, configuration management experience. Cybersecurity is cornerstone of cloud consultancy, so you need to be aware of what is cloud security posture management plus identity and a lot of other things around it. You don't have to be a cybersecurity guru, but still, you should be aware of what exactly it is. Scripting in Python, always helpful. Maybe any JavaScript would be good. Certification, I'm not a fan of certification, but if you have it, sometimes some of the managers they just like the word certification over there. So if you have it, well and good, but don't think ever think it's a blocker, even if the job description mentions it. um, don't worry about it. So that's so yeah, so if you feel like it, update it.